Well, hello, happy DIYers and woodworkers. Mayanna here with Heartwood Art. I want to show you a little jig that I made for my SUV to help me haul lumber. It's not just for SUVs. It keeps wood off the tailgate of your truck too, and if you have a car that has a pass-through, keeps it off the rubber lining so it doesn't smush down on it, and that's exactly why I made it for this. So let's get going. Now I have an older SUV and it has a window that pops up. They really don't make these much anymore, but like I said, this works well if you have a car pass through. You can set this thing in your truck. So let me give you a closer up look of what this thing is. Well, here it is, and you can see there's not a whole lot to it. It's just a couple of 2x4s on feet going across there and a brace bar. Now if you're carrying heavier stuff, you might want to put one across the bottom too. Pocket holes with Kreg jig make this super simple to do. And the way that I do the boards is angle them across and stick them out the window, of course, and so that gives me the maximum length. Now I can't carry a whole sheet of plywood, it's not big enough across here to do that, but I can carry them if they're ripped down for me at my home center, and so I just stack them on top of these for that. So that makes it real easy, and they just stick out the back of the window, and some of the lumber can go right under it here if I do them straight out too. The other great thing is you can use these tie wraps to wrap around it, hold anything over to here. You could also get a stop block, just put another piece 2x4 across here, put a clamp on it, and that's going to hold your boards over to one side, so there's no way that they're going to shift. But if they're long enough and they're going to the corner, they're not going anywhere anyway. But if you're hauling in the back of a truck, maybe your car, you don't want those things to shift. Now the other thing that I've got here that helps make this work, this is an anti-skid pad. Hey, it's just a welcome mat. They're really cheap, but you can't skid anything on this, and it's a lot cheaper than those anti-skid liners for the back of SUVs or cars too. So these feet aren't going anywhere. The other really great thing about it is when you put boards in or pull them out, you're scraping across this wood. You're not taking them across your seal on your car or your trunk. So let me put a piece of wood in here so you can see. See? Set it on the board and just go to the corner. Works out perfectly for that. Alright y'all, that's it. Come on over to heartwoodart.com for more tips, tutorials, and jigs like this that make life easier, and I'll see you in the shop.